I would like to show a function which is not really explained within Excel. It's in Excel because it has historical reasons. I think anyhow it's quite useful. I would like to show it anyhow. It's a function DATEDIF, which gives back, depending on the unit given, the number of years, months, days, etc. between two given dates. So let's assume, for example, you have started your career at the 1st of October 2022. And there is another function which is today. No parameter handed in, and it just gives the current date. If I open the Excel book tomorrow, it shows another date. And now I would like to have the number of years between today and the current and the day you started. So I say DATEDIF, and you can see in here DATEDIF is not shown in this pull down menu. If I enter this bracket, the parentheses, then it's suddenly shown. I first have to enter the first date, the second date, and then I have to enter a parameter. In parentheses, I take Y for years, and you can see you're here for 2 years and a little bit. Now if I would like to do the same thing for months, I can enter DATEDIF, again the same parameters, and enter the month. And you can see it's now 25 months. But if you're just interested in, for example, a calculation like 2 years and 2 months, 2 years and 1 month, you can change the units in here and say year YM, which says all months outside of the years you have already calculated. And of course I can do the same with days. So again, DATEDIF, first date, second date, and if I take the parameters, you can see it's already 787 days. I'm just interested in the days outside the month, and you see I'm here for 2 years, 1 month and 25 days.